In this video, I'm going to discuss about heartbeat. A heartbeat is a signal that indicates that our code is still alive. Just like on this project, I have two LEDs. This one is for functional indicator and this one is for the heartbeat. Let me turn it on. As you see, this one is blinking fast. This one is blinking for a bit every second. I will now turn this off. I will just turn this on permanently. Okay, it's turned on permanently. You see this one, after initialization, it will now blink every around 2 to 3 seconds. This is permanently on. This will blink every 3 seconds, which indicate that the code is still running and looping. The code is okay. Let's now talk further about heartbeat. A heartbeat can be in different forms. And it can be in the form of a buzzer, or it can be in a form of a blinking, just like on our example, or it can also be in a form of a pulse signal that will be on an I/O pin. It can also be implemented by using millis. I have a video about millis and I will put the link down below. Third, the primary purpose of a heartbeat is to indicate that the code is still running. Not all projects have LCDs that will tell you that your code is still okay. So, using a heartbeat, you can determine if the loop is still okay, especially if it's an IoT device that have no indicator. Lastly, a heartbeat is very useful in troubleshooting. It can really save you time. I hope that this video is interesting and useful to you. And if you learned something and if you have any comments, just put it down below and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.